Good morning.
Good afternoon.
What case study are we going to talk about?
Ivana Alawi ordered a PM1 chicken in Mang Inasal. For takeout, when she received her order, she saw ST, sanitary defect which is maggot and fly. Inspiration. In this case, what do you think? Are the workplace hygiene issues?
First, presence of flies, SBs, and factors that affect it. Second, food odors. Third, improper garbage disposal.
What is ST?
SD means sanitary defect that could provide a pathway for entry for microbial contamination into the distribution system that is indicative of imminent failure in a barrel that is already in a place.
How about the food odor and improper garbage disposal?
Food odors, exposed food, improperly cleaned, sanitized food, smells or taste can create odors that attract flies or SD. One factor that attracts flies is a garbage. That's why it's called improper garbage disposal. So what is prerequisite program?
Prerequisite program are cleaning and sanitation, receiving, storage, and shipping, pest control, proper garbage disposal.
What is it all about?
Cleaning and sanitation is a procedure for cleaning and sanitation of the equipment and facility should be written and follow a master sanitation schedule should be in place. Receiving, storage, and shipping. It raw material and product shall be stored under sanitary conditions in the proper environment conditions such as temperature and humidity to assure their safety and wholesomeness. Pest control is an effective pest control program should be in place. Pest control is the process of managing and preventing pests such as insects, rodent, and other animals from causing damage to or contamination to food and the working place. And lastly, proper garbage disposal. Help keeps the environment clean, but it also makes the community overall health. Standard better with waste being properly disposed of, our environment is cleaner, meaning there are fewer health risks and hazards around to affect us. And for our last topic is HACCP principles. Miss Version, what are the HACCP principles in this case study about Ivana Alawi Mang Inasal food issue? Conduct a hazard analysis.
Flies or SDs can harbor more than 200 pathogens, including types of foodborne illness, causing bacteria such as Salmonella, Shigella, Campylobacter, E. coli, and others.
2. Identify critical control point.
Absence of critical SD on food. The store is not pest critically.
3. Establish critical limit for HCCP.
Here is no sign of any SD in the area or working place.
4. Establish monitoring procedure.
We must conduct a weekly pest control program.
Establish corrective actions.
Standard pest control tools are complete, functional, and properly installed. Pest proofing of store structure is adequate and defenses against pest infestation are in place.
Establish verification procedure.
Have a contracted program through Ecolab and they perform audits on their program regularly. It is a cost-effective way to outsource a big section of your food safety program. If you can get in the contact with a reputable group that can maintain good documentation, you can do it yourself, but when handling the poison and traps, I have found it is easier to leave it to professionals. Additionally, many of poison and traps, I have found it easier to leave to the professional. Additionally, many of the poison that are placed in the traps can be handled by licensed professionals, and if there are any poison control issue, then it can land the company in hot water if there is in good documentation on how it has been handled.
Establish record keeping and documentation procedure.
Provide a checklist on maintaining, calibrating tools and equipment in the pest control, whether it's functioning or installed correctly. Next, the flow of HACCP system.
First, receive the product, then store, then tow, check the temperature, then get a portion of a product, then cook. Again, check the temperature, hot, cold, and lastly, serve.